Barbers is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2014 Mazda CX5, stock number 6266. This ran from the 2nd 2012 to the 12th 2016. It has a SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Left front guard no dents. Front bonnet no dents. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front guard no dents. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack sat nav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.